Curbio lets every seller flip their own home and cash in on their most valuable asset. In addition to our pay-at-settlement model, there are 3 things that are different about Curbio when you compare us to a traditional home improvement company. First, our process is completely turnkey. Curbio manages the entire process from beginning to end. When a seller and their agent works with Curbio, they never have to step foot into a hardware store, order any materials, hire any subcontractors, or visit a showroom. We have a curated portfolio of materials that we've pre-selected based on what buyers in your market are looking for, and that allows us to maximize the ROI of all your home renovation investments. Second, Curbio works with agents and sellers together as one team. We all get paid at the same time, at settlement. This means that, unlike a typical contractor, Curbio works fast and will never encourage sellers to invest in renovations that we don't think will actually increase the value of the home. And finally, Curbio is more than a renovation company. We're also a technology company. We use technology at every step of the renovation process to ensure that projects start on time, finish quickly, and eliminate stress for the seller and their agent. Our virtual walkthrough process allows us to produce detailed proposals in just a few days without ever sending a contractor to the property. And once the project kicks off, sellers don't have to worry about tracking project progress or chasing down contractors because they receive constant updates through the Curbio app.